Yes, subterranean spa, healing waters, and incredible views. Talk about a relaxing, unique, glam way to celebrate a birthday. Come along with me to one of the hot springs in Iceland. While I will show only one today, there are several in this Nordic country. I love a spa. A geothermal spa or hot spring in the midst of cold weather is in its name, the land of fire and ice. Ready for this hot spring spa day? We parked the car and headed inside. Upon checking in, a robe is provided. It's also required to shower prior to going into the hot spring. Personally, I like that to ensure cleanliness. Going into the lagoon, it has hot, milky blue, mineral-rich water. It's located in a lava field near Grindavik and supplied by water used in a nearby geothermal power station. There is a walk-up bar to enjoy a cold beverage in a hot spring on a cold but sunny day. Travel tip: pack a plastic phone case to protect from water damage and to carry around the wrist to not drop or lose it. Between the water from the geothermal spa and the hot sun, it's time to sip lemonade, so I went to order a tall glass at the spa bar. They scanned my wristband and off I go. It's very soothing and peaceful to relax. Continuing with this day of wellness and bliss, 3 face masks are offered, each providing different healing properties. The first is similar to a black clay scrub. The mirror helps to see what you're doing. After a little while, I returned for the second face mask. This one is white and creamy initially when applying, then it slightly hardens. The lagoon is big, making it easy to spread out, at least this time of year. You can go under bridges, hang by the spa bar or rocks, find spots just for yourself, or mingle with others. Everywhere, though, is picture-worthy. We are headed on this side now for a lesson about the lagoon's history. Before I go to retrieve my third mask, I need to remove the second one, so I wash it off and continue my spa day. This third mask is creamier, lighter in texture and weight. Just being here in this beautiful country in a geothermal spa set to the backdrop of stunning views, celebrating a birthday with my love, traveling all around, and travel is my favorite thing, is truly incredible. Well, I wanted a mocktail, so I went back to the spa bar. I could stay here all day, and did, just living my bliss life. Afterwards, we grabbed our robes, showered, got dressed, and headed to the indoor restaurant for a nightcap. For more, make sure to return for day 4.